ISDA Architecture Part 3. In the previous video, as a part of ISDA documentation framework, we have gone through the ISDA master agreement and the schedule. In this video, we will discuss about confirmations as a part of ISDA documentation framework. Confirmations, you can see on the screen highlighted in yellow. There are two types of confirmations, the long form confirmation and the short form confirmation. These are two types of confirmation. As I have stated before, confirmations prevail over master agreement and the schedule. In the order of precedence, it is a confirmation that prevails. Confirmation specifies the economic terms of the transaction. It contains trade specific details. When parties execute confirmation, they do not need to renegotiate the terms of master agreement and schedule, as they are already negotiated and act as a governing document for confirmations. As you can see, there are two types of confirmation documents, the long form and the short form. Long form confirmations are used when you want to transact on a new type of derivative developed in the market, and it does not have any pre-existing standard terms and provisions that are already part of ISDA definition or the ISDA library. The terms and provisions are developed on market practices. Long form confirmations contain in full all the terms necessary to document economic terms of the transactions, as they do not import any existing terms or provisions from the ISDA library or definitions. Another form of confirmation, which are short form confirmations. Short form confirmation does not contain all the necessary terms to document the economic terms of the transaction. It relies on the standard terms and provisions that are already there in other documents, such as ISDA definitions. Short form confirmation incorporates these terms and provisions. This enables the use of shorthand terms in the confirmation and avoids the need to set out in full various operational provisions. These terms and provisions contained in the other document should reflect standard market practices. Therefore, completing a short form confirmation should be quicker than completing a long form confirmation. In this video, as a part of ISDA documentation framework, we have discussed confirmations. In the next video, we would discuss about ISDA definitions and credit support documents as a part of ISDA architecture. Please send your feedbacks to derivatives.documentation@gmail.com. Do subscribe to receive updates of the channel Derivatives Documentation. Please do like and share the video if you found the content useful. Thank you.